हेलो एंड वेलकम टू आवर चैनल संगीता टीचर। तो बच्चों, आज हम अपने 6th स्टैंडर्ड इंग्लिश का सेकंड लेसन लर्न करेंगे, हु इज़ द ग्रेटेस्ट। तो वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो आपको लाइक शेयर कमेंट करना है। इस चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट कर देना है। तो बढ़ते हैं अपने लेसन की ओर, हु इज़ द ग्रेटेस्ट। एक्चुअली लास्ट टाइम वी हैव लर्नड फर्स्ट स्टोरी जो मुस्टैच के बारे में थी। We saw then how nicely Birbal gave answer that what punishment should be given to that offender who pulled Emperor Akbar's mustache, isn't it? So now we will be seeing our second story. So let's see. On another occasion, Akbar was relaxing with some of his courtiers. A few of them thought this was a good opportunity to shower praise on the emperor and get some favors from him. They began to compete with each other in praising Akbar. Actually, Akbar was relaxing in his court. He was talking with some of his courtiers. Some other courtiers felt that this is the golden opportunity, बहुत अच्छी opportunity है to praise एम्पर अकबर। अकबर की हम तारीफ करेंगे सो दैट ही विल गिव सम फेवर्स टू अस, कुछ तो हमें फेवर करेंगे वो। सो उनमें कंपटीशन मानो लग गई। दे कॉम्पीट विथ ईच अदर इन प्रेजिंग अकबर। प्रेज करना मतलब अप्रिशिएट करना, तारीफ करना। सो दे स्टार्टेड अप्रिशिएटिंग एम्पर अकबर। समबडी सेड यू आर द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ द किंग, आप बहुत महान हो। You are the greatest of the king or emperors that ever lived on the earth. You are such a person, a great ruler you are, that nobody is like you on the earth. इस अर्थ पे आप जैसा कोई है ही नहीं। Somebody said, you are the great person. You are the greatest of all the people in heaven or earth. Those people who are in heaven now. Heaven means it is believed that when person die, if he has done all good things in his life, then he gets heaven after death. ऐसे माना जाता है, डेथ के बाद हेवन मिलता है जिसने अच्छे अच्छे काम किए हैं अपनी लाइफ में। सो व्हाट समबडी सेड कि यू आर द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल द पीपल दोज हु आर इन हेवन एंड ऑन अर्थ। अर्थ पे भी आप जैसा कोई है ही नहीं। Next, one of the person says, you are the great as God Almighty. You are like God Almighty. ये तो ठीक था। Somebody said, you are the greater than the God Almighty. देखो, see how false appreciation, no? What they said, somebody, you are the greater than God Almighty. Is there anyone who is really greater than God Almighty? God से भी बड़ा कोई है? नहीं है ना। nobody is greater than God Almighty on the earth, and they said that you are the greater than God Almighty. Actually, this Akbar, Emperor Akbar, was not fool. He was very clever. He only appointed them, no? So how they can fool him? But they thought, let's appreciate Emperor Akbar so that he will give some favors. So he did not care for false praise because he knew very well they are simply doing false appreciation or false praise. He stopped the courtiers and said and asked, do you all believe so? Do you all really believe that I am greater than the God Almighty? सचमुच मैं बहुत बड़ा हूँ गॉड से भी? They said yes. Everybody said in one voice. Together they said. कोरस में जैसे ना आंसर देते हो आप लोग क्लास में, whenever sometime teacher ask any question, everybody gives the answer, but in chorus, एक साथ. So here also, this courtier said yes in one voice. All right, then prove it to me. अरे बाप रे, ये क्या बड़ी आफत आ गई अभी. Now Emperor Akbar is asking them to prove whether really I am greater than God Almighty. Tell me at least one thing that I can do but God Almighty cannot. At least एक बात तो आपको बतानी है, which I can do but God cannot. So otherwise you all will incur our royal displeasure. Incur royal displeasure means make me angry. If you make me angry, you know what will happen? Then you will have to leave the court. So you have to prove it that I am greater than God Almighty. You have till tomorrow morning to prove it. उनको एक डेडलाइन देते हैं वो कि कल मॉर्निंग तक you have to prove it. And he left the place. Even he didn't look at them कि उनके क्या reactions है. He didn't see at all. Simply he asked them to prove it and he left the place, left the court. अभी क्या करे? What to do now? These stupid people, they simply said like this just to get favors. But now here there is a big problem has come in front of them. Akbar is asking to prove. So they thought and thought. बहुत सोचने लगे वो. But they were not getting any answer. They were in proper fix. Proper fix means what? Difficult situation. They were in difficult situation. Now what to do? अब क्या करें? कैसे प्रूव करें? ये तो उन लोगों ने सोचा ही नहीं था. They didn't think at all. What will be the reaction of their false praise? They thought and thought, but they couldn't get any answer. So at the end they decided to go to the Birbal, clever Birbal, who was one of the gem. So he went to the Birbal and told him the whole problem or narrated the whole incident. पूरा incident उन्होंने narrate किया Birbal को. Then Birbal said, okay, don't worry, you go now, I'll see what to do. Then everybody left that place. And the next morning, everybody was present. The court was full. Everybody was eager to know that what will happen now. Whether Birbal has any answer or what Emperor Akbar will say. Everybody was eager to know. सबको बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी थी कि अभी क्या होगा, बिरबल क्या आंसर बताएंगे. So Emperor Akbar asked them, have you found any answer for my question? Or you are ready to leave the court forever? मिला कि नहीं आंसर आपको? Otherwise what will happen? You have to leave the place forever. So just then Birbal stepped forward and bowed low. He just came forward, he gave respect to the Emperor Akbar and started giving the answer. Please don't be angry with those who think you are the greatest. Please Emperor Akbar, please don't be angry on them. Those who said that you are the greatest, आप सबसे महान हो. Please don't be angry. There is certainly, वो क्या बोलते हैं? There is certainly one thing which you can do, but God Almighty cannot. Certainly means surely. Surely ऐसी कोई एक बात है that you can do, but our God Almighty cannot. Akbar looked at Birbal thoughtfully. How this is possible? Because everyone knows कि God Almighty is greater than everyone. He is the greatest. And this Birbal is saying that I can do one thing. So he just asked Birbal, कि which is that one thing? Then Birbal said, when you want to banish someone from your court, you can banish that person. Suppose a person makes a mistake, then king has a power to remove that person from his court, isn't it? King के पास होता है ना power. A person who makes a mistake, he can banish that person from his court. But God Almighty cannot banish anyone from his court because God's kingdom extends everywhere. किंग एम्परर का जो एम्परर अकबर का जो किंगडम है वो एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया तक है. आफ्टर दैट एरिया इज डिफरेंट, बट दिस होल अर्थ इज ऑफ गॉड. दिस इज बिलोंग टू गॉड. सो दैट्स व्हाई हिज kingdom extends everywhere. So how God can remove someone from his kingdom? He cannot. And after hearing this, Akbar's face was lit up with a smile. He was very happy because he realized, yes, this is correct. So that's why he was pleased with the Birbal's answer. That was very clever, Birbal, while showing how I have an advantage. You have shown that I have that advantage, that I can banish the person. You have also shown that God is greater because he cannot banish anyone from his court. So God is really a greater. I believe you, Emperor Akbar said. And he became so happy, very pleased with the perfect answer given by Birbal. So he forgave all the courtiers for their stupidity. Understood? These courtiers were really stupids. Simply they gave the false appreciation or the false praise. They were not knowing that this thing also will happen. And thank God, Birbal saved them. So because of Birbal only they escaped. Otherwise क्या होता था पता नहीं. They would have to left the place forever or the court forever. So like as usual, this time also Birbal gave the perfect answer to the Emperor Akbar and made him happy as usual. So here we finish our second story also. Hope that this story is also understood you very well. If still you have any doubt, आप comments में comment box में पूछ सकते हो.